Dog, his ass, look at that. It's a little stork, dog. Look at that nigga, dog. That's a whole stork. Look how tall it is. Them jumps up. That's a big ass bird. Let's see if we can't get his ass to fly. Fly somewhere, little sturkey. I'm gonna disturb him a little bit. See if we can't get him to give me a honk. Give him a honk honk. Look, there it is. Look, he getting nervous. So, whoa, look, there he is. Whoa, look at that jump, boy. That's a motherfucking stork. Nigga, that's a fucking crane. No, that's the crane. It's a crane, nigga. That's a crane. That's a fucking crane, nigga. Whoa, bro. Do something with your look. Look at he looked up. Hey, little baby. It's E-Man. Look at his ass, honking at his ass. Come on, fly, you little fucker. Here we go, fucking the fish up. He said he honking. You should have seen he was standing on top of the pole a second ago. I'm about to see if I can't get closer to my nigga. You know you ain't supposed to disturb the wildlife, though. That's why I ain't gonna get too close. Look like he trying to. Oh, look, he about to catch something. We might see him. We might see him work. We might see his ass work. Tide nice and high too. Oh, I think I know what he's doing. He trying to catch a heron. Oh, I see what a stork does. He pretends to look like a duck. He kind of like curls up tight like a duck because he kind of look like a duck. And since he looks like a duck, the birds don't, yeah, I mean, they don't trip on his presence like that. And then right when they least expect it, they get fucking crane style. Look at him, look. Crane style. Look at that fucking crane, dog. That's a goddamn crane. And he look pretty too. He like a nice little blue. He ain't been eating too well though. You know, normally they get bluer. He said, boy, give me one of these motherfucking. Look how that nigga be walking. Whoa, he got that motherfucking stalker glee. He got the stalker. This nigga Tyrannosaurus walking. Boy, he got that Tyrannosaurus. That nigga Tyrannosaurus on the feet. He got that Tyrannosaurus on him. He got that motherfucking Tyrannosaurus in him, boy. He got that shit inside his blood. He got that motherfucking hunter killer, boy. He a hunter killer, boy. That nigga hunter killer. I'm like, whoa, he peeping the glee. What up, my nigga? You know me? It's just a fair. Yeah, me. Throw that nigga the deuces. Check him. Whoa, hunter killer. Wow, he getting that hunter killer. We losing the shot. Crocky might. There we go. We losing the shot, Mike. Crocky. Nigga, crane style. This how you be. You got to be on the market. This is the way we work in the market right now. We're just looking at that thing. We stalking that thing, boy. But you know what I mean? If something come glee. If something come to glee. Look at that nigga stalking that shit, boy. He said that shit looks so good. Look, he about ready to try something. Whoa, did he get him? No, he didn't. I think he just got him. Did he? Oh, yo, I think he got him. Look, he got something. Boy, he didn't ate that Joe. Boy, he caught him. He caught him something. If he ain't catch it, he damn sure fucking look. Look, he's popping his lips. I think he just caught him a glee. If he ain't catch it, that nigga motherfucking almost caught him. I think he caught him, because he took a moment and froze. Rocky, man, you keep losing the shark, man. You're losing the bloody shark, man. I keep losing the bloody shark, man. I've been losing the bloody shark, man. We're getting closer and closer, man. That's not another bird. I thought that was another bird. It's some debris. Man, look how big he is. Well, oh, he looks. It looks even different. Oh, he got him. There it is. There it is. There it is. You got to see it. I thought you dropped it there. You take your time, man. You getting greedy. You got that digest him first. Now his ass don't want to go down the right way. I seen you niggas. That nigga caught a whole fish, bro. He looks so different. Now you talking. He must be using the sound to kill the fish. Hey, y'all hear that? He's like making a noise. Like he was clearing his throat. God, that nigga neck long as shit, boy. Long neck ass, boy. As I see what he do, he get it real close like a snake, and then right when they get him close enough, he shoot that bitch out. And the distance of his reach will be longer than the distance of their jump. Cause he in range. He get up in range. And then he caught that nigga right off the edge of the fucking glee too. He got a beard in it. That nigga a grown man. Look, you used to see his plumage. His plumage is fucking crazy. Right there, all them little, can I get a frame right there? Look at his plumage right there, like you. Look, he full now. See how you don't take too much? He ain't greedy, see? He tried to go in again, but then that shit started choking his ass up. You know what I mean? He about to take off. He got a good breeze. You gonna take off? That's a good flight. He looking like he gonna take a little flight. Look, he getting that look in him. Look, he might want to take off. He gotta get a little northward wind. Take you up, but there's some good hunting ground. You done ate here, you might well kick it here for a hot second. That's what he thinking. Oh, this nigga took a shit. He took a shit first. That's what it was. He took a shit, then he took off. He had to take a shit first. Oh no, this nigga took a shit. This nigga took a shit, then he took off.